Hi there, I'm Caitlin from the Regional Foundation Center at the Free Library of Philadelphia. Getting more out of Foundation Directory Online is a video series offering tips and insights into some of the lesser explored areas of Foundation Directory Online. Today, I'm going to show you how to visualize networks in philanthropy using pathways. Pathways is a feature in Foundation Directory Online Professional that visually reveals networked relationships between funders and recipients. This visualization tool helps foundation giving come alive and shows not only how money is flowing between organizations, but also reveals potential funding prospects for your organization. Enter a funder's name to see its top grantees and their other funders, or enter the name of a recipient to see its top funders and their other grantees. To use Pathways, you will start by entering the name of a nonprofit or a funder. I recommend starting with your own organization. Once you've entered the name of an organization, you'll see a chart showing the flow of funding between their primary funders, organizations that those funders support, and prospective funders. It looks a little messy the first time you look at it, but once you play around with it for a little bit, you'll get the hang of it. So let's do a demonstration of Pathways. As a reminder, the Pathways feature is only available in Foundation Directory Online Professional. So you do need to be on site at the Parkway Central Library in order to access Pathways. From the Foundation Directory Online homepage, I'm going to click Pathways. From here, you'll enter the name of the organization that you want to start with. For our example search, I'm going to put in the Free Library of Philadelphia Foundation. Once I've entered in the name of the organization, we'll then see this Pathways chart appear below. A quick note about what these different colors mean. Anytime you see this blue teal color, you'll know that you're looking at a foundation. Anytime you see this brown orange color, you'll know that you're looking at a recipient. So we have 4 columns here on the screen. On the far left, we have the organization's name that we entered, the Free Library of Philadelphia Foundation. They're a recipient, so their color is that orange-brown color. The next column is the Free Library of Philadelphia Foundation's top 3 funders. And again, we know we're looking at a funder because we see that blue teal color. You'll also notice the arrows moving in the direction of the way the money is flowing from the foundation or funder to the recipient. Our next column is showing us a list of other nonprofit organizations that are receiving grants from our top 3 funders. The last column is a list of foundations that are funding these similar nonprofit organizations, but may not be funding us. So this last column essentially is a prospect list for us. And if we want to learn more about any of these foundations, we can click on their name and we'll be taken to their Foundation Directory Online profile. Once we've looked through this initial Pathways list, we can look at the next selection of funders by clicking on this next button here at the bottom. That will refresh our list where the Free Library of Philadelphia Foundation is still going to be the primary organization, but we're now seeing a new list of top funders, followed by a new list of similar nonprofit organizations, and a new list of prospective funders. At any point, you can clear your selections and change either the organization that you want to look at, or you can add a subject area. So if you wanted to see all the information related to specific grants that a funder is giving or that a nonprofit is receiving, you can enter that subject area in the search box here. And remember, you can search for both nonprofit organizations as well as funders in Pathways. I hope you enjoyed this edition of Getting More Out of Foundation Directory Online. Please reach out to the Regional Foundation Center if we can be of assistance.